Hi everybody, my name is Peggy aka Peggypeg. Welcome to my channel. So today I decided to recreate a hairstyle that I love to do on my long relaxed hair. So I would like to know what would be the results today on my new short medium relaxed hair. So yeah, I want to do a braid out. I want to see how this is gonna turn out, if it's gonna be cute or whatever. So I'm gonna do that today. So I'm gonna follow like the same steps that I used to do on my long hair. So first of all, I'm just gonna spray my hair first with some water. And then use a spray leave-in conditioner. Today I'm gonna use one from Design Essentials, this one right here. So any spray leave-in conditioner. I wouldn't suggest a cream one, just because your hair is just gonna be more weighed down. Like a spray for me makes the hair so much more less heavy. I don't know how to say that. So yeah, I'm just gonna do my two braids that I usually do. Okay, so I'm done with the first side, and what I can say is that my hair is very thick. Like towards the end, it was like so hard to braid that part. Like look at that, how thick that is. So yeah, I'm just gonna do the same on this side. So I'm not gonna add any more product. I'm just gonna go ahead and braid. Okay, so I'm done braiding both parts of my hair. It is like so weird having like such small braids, but anyways, so I'm just gonna spread a little bit of that leave-in conditioner all over, just so that it can set like very good. And yeah, I am gonna go by the rest of the day like that. I'm gonna sleep like that, and I'm gonna show you the result of my braid out tomorrow. So yeah, hello people. Okay, so I am back the day after. So this is what my braids look like. I did sleep with it. I covered it with a satin scarf. So what I did, I just pinned those down in the back like that using bobby pins so that it can stay. So yeah, this is what my hair looks like today. So now we're gonna braid those and see what my first braid out on my short medium hair looks like. So yeah, I'm not used to have such little braids. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh my god, this is actually so cute. And yeah, I didn't have anything on my fingers, no oil, no nothing. I didn't add any water or leave-in conditioner. So yeah, oh my god, this is so cute. Oh, it's so short. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like with my braids. Not like I didn't comb it out or anything. And I actually love like the definition of it. Look at that. Okay, this is so cute. That's it. But for the sake of the video, I think I'm gonna comb it out. So I really hope, oh my god, look at that movement. So I'm gonna comb it out to see what it looks like also. Like just a little bit. Okay, this is also cute. That looks cute, right? So let me know in the comments what you think of it. Like, do you like it? Do you prefer my braid out when my hair was longer? Like, let me know. And let me know what other style you would like to see on my hair next. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, leave a comment, share this video with all your friends. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you in another one. Look at that, look at that. Okay, bye.